Hey, this is Derek with UofMTiger.com back for another video. Today I'm going to revisit the Wiim Mini. This is the device that I reviewed before, and they've added a new beta for Amazon UltraHD. I'm really excited about it, and I wanted to just go ahead and show you how that works. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. Thanks. So first off, this is the Amazon UltraHD app running on my iPhone, or my iPad, 12.9 inch M1. And over here I have a Sanskrit DAC and the Wiim Mini. If you look here, there's a on the Sanskrit, it actually shows you the kilohertz that it's being fed, and so we'll know how many kilohertz each file has, and I'm going to show you how this does bitrate switching on the fly. So if I go over here, you notice that I'm playing a HD version of the file. That's why currently we're getting a 44 kilohertz signal. So, but if let's say that I want to listen to Ultra HD, I'll just go here and look for one with Ultra HD, which Sweet Love. And by the way, I chose this album because it has multiple different bit rates. So you'll see here it's playing, and now we have 96 kilohertz. So you can see that whatever you choose here plays back over here in the same resolution. Here's where you can see it says Ultra HD. The thing with Amazon is Ultra HD can be either 2496 or 24192, and maybe even 2448. I'm not sure, but pretty easy to tell once if you have a DAC like this that gives you the kilobits. I mean the kilohertz. So here's the one that I'm going to choose because it does 24192. So Same Old Love does 24192. So you can see that all you have to do is use the native app. You're probably wondering how you select the Wiim. Up here in the corner, you'll see this. If you click on it, you get a drop down box of all Amazon compatible devices. So I've already set this up. I assume whenever you get the final version of this, they're going to also have the same process, which I went into the Wiim app, I signed out of Amazon, and then I just re-signed back in, setting these up. Right now you can see it's called they've got this thing where it's saying beta, and then there's also, you see beta 2 down here. That's because I have two Wiim Minis, and I have both of them set up to work with Amazon. These other devices are just other Amazon devices. You'll see that AirPlay is also an option, so if you wanted to use AirPlay, you could. So to wrap things up, as you can see, the Amazon Ultra HD Beta does high resolution up to 192 kilohertz. It does 96 kilohertz. It does the typical CD resolution of 44:1, and I also wanted to mention that AirPlay was also updated. It now does 16:44:1 instead of upscaling everything to 48 kilohertz. So now you're getting a more, I guess, accurate file that is in the native resolution of the actual CD files that they have on Apple Music and other websites. The AirPlay still doesn't work with high resolution. That's Apple, that's not Wiim. So I would hope Apple would eventually have all their stuff work with their high resolution files, but as of now that's not the case. But this was mainly about the Wiim Mini and Amazon Ultra HD, and I'm really happy. I did go ahead and subscribe to Amazon because of this feature, and I will keep the Apple Music because we have HomePods and things like that around the house that work with it great. So this is just gives us another option for audio. So to wrap things up, If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any concerns, questions, critiques, feel free to leave me a message. Thanks.